Hey there, tool enthusiasts. Get ready to dive into some of the latest hand tools that have hit Amazon in 2024. We've got a mix of DIY essentials, innovative caulking solutions, versatile nut drivers, and even a tool to make firewood splitting a breeze. These are must-sees if you're a DIYer or professional looking to upgrade your tool collection. Let's jump right in. Number 1. The 24-in-1 multi-bit magnetic screwdriver set is a compact, versatile tool designed to streamline various DIY and repair tasks. This set cleverly combines a ratchet wrench and screwdriver, making it ideal for both professionals and home users who need adaptability and convenience in tight spaces. The tool features replaceable arms and 24 industrial-grade bits crafted from durable S2 chromium molybdenum alloy steel, known for strength and wear resistance. Each bit undergoes continuous heat treatment, ensuring longevity and high performance across different projects. One of the set's standout features is its 58-tooth ratchet mechanism, allowing smooth, labor-saving rotations with minimal effort. This makes tasks easier and reduces hand fatigue, especially during extended use. The handle, made from hard aluminum alloy, provides a comfortable grip, while a color-coded ring design helps users quickly identify the appropriate bits. With its user-friendly dismantling ratchet sleeves and lightweight but durable construction, this screwdriver set is an invaluable addition to any toolbox. Whether tackling complex projects or everyday repairs, its multifunctional design is suited for everything from DIY projects to garage work, offering durability and efficiency in one compact tool. Number 2. The Klein Tools 5-in-1 cable stripping tool is a compact, versatile tool for efficient electrical work. Ideal for professionals, it makes quick work of slitting and trimming the outer jacketing on 12 halves and 14 halves NM cables in a single smooth motion. It also offers precise insulation stripping for 12 to 14 AWG solid wires, ensuring clean and accurate cuts on individual conductors. A convenient wire looping hole allows for easy wire shaping, adding to its functionality. For those handling wire nuts, the tool's design provides added torque and comfort when twisting winged wire nuts, enhancing grip and minimizing hand strain. Equipped with a magnetic feature, this cable stripper attaches to metal surfaces, ensuring easy, accessible storage. Its bright orange color boosts visibility, making it easy to spot in toolboxes or dimly lit areas. The pocket-sized design fits perfectly in tool pouches or pockets, allowing quick access on the go. With its efficient 5-in-1 functionality and portability, this Klein Tools cable stripper is valuable to any electrician's toolkit. Number 3. The Czi Cordless Coking Gun is a powerful, 21-volt battery-powered tool designed to simplify and speed up caulking projects. With its cordless design, this caulk gun removes the need for manual squeezing, reducing hand strain significantly, making it an ideal choice for everything from small DIY jobs to larger projects like window installations, automotive windshields, and bathroom fixtures. Powered by a 2.0 Ah battery, the gun delivers up to 180 minutes of continuous operation, with a robust 300 kilograms thrust that accelerates sealing by over 50%. Featuring a no-drip mechanism, the gun halts caulk flow as soon as the trigger is released, ensuring clean, precise application with minimal waste. The lockable trigger allows for comfortable, consistent pressure in tight or awkward spaces, especially for narrow areas. With 4 adjustable speed settings up to 220 millimeters per minute, users have full control over the flow, making it compatible with various adhesives and sealants. Universal compatibility with standard 10 ounces per 300 milliliters cartridges adds to its versatility, making this caulking gun a convenient tool for DIYers and professionals. Number 4. The 5-pieces Spackle Knife Set is a reliable, versatile tool set designed for a wide range of repair and decorating tasks. Made from high-quality stainless steel, each blade is sturdy and measures 0.03 inches in thickness, providing the strength needed for scraping, while also being flexible enough to achieve an ideal working angle. The set's anti-rust, corrosion-resistant stainless steel construction is mirror-polished, ensuring the tools remain in excellent condition even after cleaning. Comfort is prioritized in the ergonomic handle, crafted with a combination of durable plastic for strength and soft, non-slip rubber for a secure, comfortable grip. This design makes it easy to use the putty knives for extended periods without hand fatigue. The set includes 5 sizes: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 inches, allowing for precision in small areas as well as coverage for larger surfaces. This makes it perfect for tasks such as repairing drywall, removing wallpaper, and applying materials like putty, plaster, and cement. Whether for professional work or DIY projects, this set provides durability, comfort, and a range of sizes to handle any job effectively. Number 5. The Adjustable Tap Socket Set, a 3-piece tap holder tool, is designed for efficient work in confined spaces where traditional T-handle tap wrenches cannot reach. Crafted from high-grade CRMO steel, this set is exceptionally durable, featuring high hardness, wear resistance, and heat resistance, making it reliable for demanding tasks. The set offers broad compatibility, with adjustable socket covers ranging from 3 mm to 12 mm, making it suitable for various tap and extractor sizes. This flexibility saves time by eliminating the need to search for specific sockets. The knurled locking ring provides a strong grip, allowing easy tightening while ensuring the tap is securely held in place for a slip-free and stable operation. Additionally, this set is compatible with any 3/8-inch square drive hand tools and includes a 3/8-inch hex adapter, which allows for seamless integration with power drills, ideal for both professional tradespeople and DIYers. This tap socket set is versatile, sturdy, and adaptable, simplifying tasks in tight spaces with precision and ease. Number 6. The Liberon Magnetic Nut Driver Set is a comprehensive 16-piece tool set ideal for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. This set includes 8 magnetic nut drivers ranging from 1/4 inch to 9/16 inch and 8 deep nut drivers from 1/4 inch to 3/4 inch, providing an all-in-one solution that covers a wide range of tasks, from car repairs to household projects. Each driver is crafted from high-quality CRV steel, giving it enhanced strength, shock resistance, and durability. Heat-treated for added resilience, these nut drivers offer strong resistance to oxidation and corrosion, ensuring long-lasting, reliable performance. The magnetic nut drivers feature a built-in magnet that securely holds nuts and bolts in place, making it easier to work in tight spaces or handle small parts without losing them. The set's 1/4 inch hex shank is compatible with a variety of quick-change chucks and drills, streamlining tasks for greater efficiency. All 16 pieces are neatly organized in a storage box with a clear lid, allowing for easy access and visibility, so you can quickly find the right tool. This well-organized, durable, and versatile set is a valuable addition to any toolkit. Number 7. The Acorn Picker Upper Roller with Foot-Operated Release is a versatile and efficient tool designed for gathering nuts and other small objects. Featuring advanced rolling drum technology, it effortlessly picks up items sized between 3/4 inch and 1.5 inch, including acorns, walnuts, pecans, chestnuts, and even golf balls. The tool's 1-gallon capacity and convenient foot-operated release mechanism make it easy to empty without bending, reducing strain on the back. Just step on the pedal to open the side release port, allowing contents to empty smoothly, while a gentle tap closes the lid. Designed for efficiency, this multifunctional nut gatherer is well-suited for outdoor tasks such as clearing gardens, lawns, and golf courses of nuts, small toys, and debris. Its reinforced aluminum tubing ensures durability while keeping it lightweight, and the steel wire basket provides elasticity and abrasion resistance, preventing damage to collected items. The adjustable handle accommodates different user heights, and the tool's lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver for users of all ages. This Acorn Picker is a practical, durable, and user-friendly solution for quick and effortless collection tasks. Number 8. The Riffpod Fruit Picker Pole with Harvest Bag is a practical tool designed for hassle-free fruit picking. With a spacious basket measuring 9 inches by 6.5 inches by 6.5 inches, it accommodates a wide range of fruits, such as apples, pears, mangoes, oranges, peaches, and more. This innovative picker features an integrated picking and collection system, which connects the basket directly to the bag, allowing fruits to be collected immediately as they are picked. This design simplifies the collection process, enhancing the joy of harvesting. The pole is adjustable, reaching up to 13 feet with its 10 extension poles, each 15.7-inch long, providing easy access to high branches without the need for a ladder. Quick to assemble, the parts screw together effortlessly, and no additional tools are required. Constructed from stainless steel, this fruit picker is both sturdy and lightweight, offering durability without bending or breaking under the weight of heavy fruits. Its user-friendly design and robust construction make it ideal for picking fruits safely and efficiently across all seasons. Number 9. The wall-mounted Firewood Kindling splitter is designed to simplify and enhance the process of splitting firewood. Its innovative 7-tooth grip design securely holds wood in place, preventing it from slipping or shifting, which increases both safety and efficiency. This splitter accommodates larger wood sizes, easily managing logs up to 18 inches in length, which is a 30% increase in splitting capacity compared to standard models. The splitter includes 2 detachable handle options, a short 8-inch handle and an extended 16-inch handle. The extended handle provides additional leverage, reducing the effort required and making splitting more efficient. With a 180 degrees spread angle, the splitter allows for a smoother chopping process, minimizing the need for frequent wood adjustments. For added convenience, the splitter can be locked with a metal ring when not in use, enhancing safety. Constructed from carbon steel, this kindling splitter is durable and resistant to deformation and rust. Its robust design withstands high pressure, ensuring long-lasting performance for efficient firewood splitting. Number 10. The Vloxo drill metal shear attachment is a versatile and high-strength metal cutting tool designed to attach to any electric drill, whether corded or cordless. This attachment enables you to control cutting with enhanced speed and precision, saving time and increasing work efficiency. It's user-friendly and easily attaches to drills by inserting the hexagonal connection shaft into the chuck and tightening it, allowing seamless operation with any standard drill. Made from durable chromium vanadium steel, this shear cutter offers wear resistance, toughness, and sharpness for efficient cutting. It can handle a wide range of materials, including galvanized steel, aluminum, stainless steel, steel wire, mesh, vinyl, siding, metal roofing, and trim coil. The tool's narrow cutting mouth also ensures precise and safe cuts. The attachment includes an adjustable handle, which can pivot 360 degrees to suit different angles and needs, making it especially useful for cutting around corners, outlets, hardware, and flanges. With its easy handling and professional-grade design, it's ideal for DIY projects and professional use.